Have you ever wondered what keeps our digital world spinning seamlessly every day? Behind every click, swipe, and tap, there lies an intricate framework of systems and applications, forming the invisible backbone of our modern technology landscape. These are not just tools, they are the architects of our digital experiences, simplifying tasks, enhancing productivity, and enabling global connectivity. At the heart of this technological ecosystem are various types of systems. First, there are operating systems like Windows and macOS, which manage our devices' fundamental operations. Then we have server systems, robust platforms that support and deliver a multitude of web-based services. Network systems ensure smooth communication between devices, managing data traffic and security. Storage systems are the custodians of our data, safeguarding information across different platforms. Lastly, virtualization systems create simulated environments that maximize hardware use without the need for additional physical resources. Let's dive deeper into these categories and unveil the magic behind our screens. Every click you make, every file you save, has an operating system working tirelessly behind the scenes. Imagine a world where your computer is an orchestra and the operating system is the conductor. This unseen force manages all the computer's hardware resources, from the CPU to memory and storage devices, ensuring they work in harmony. It's the operating system that allocates memory, prioritizes system requests, and manages the tasks your hardware performs, all without you needing to know the complexities involved. Operating systems also serve as the foundation for all the applications you use. Whether it's a simple calculator app or a complex graphic design software, they all rely on the operating system to function. This is because the operating system handles all the communications between your software and your hardware. It translates your commands into actions, allowing you to write documents, edit videos, or play games seamlessly. Security is another critical function of operating systems. They are designed to safeguard your data against unauthorized access and cyber threats. With built-in security features like firewalls, encryption, and user authentication, operating systems protect your digital information by controlling who can access your computer and what they can do with it. Popular examples of operating systems include Microsoft Windows, known for its user-friendly interface, macOS, renowned for its sleek design and robust performance, Linux, celebrated for its flexibility and open-source nature, and Unix, known for its powerful network capabilities. Operating systems are truly the unsung heroes of our tech lives. Imagine a world where your favorite websites are always available, thanks to the relentless work of server systems. Server systems are the tireless powerhouses behind the digital curtain. Essentially, they are dedicated computers that provide resources and services to other computers over a network. This setup allows client devices to access a centralized pool of resources without having to handle everything locally. Let's break down the various types of server systems. First, we have web servers, which store and deliver web pages to users. These are the machines that make it possible for you to browse your favorite sites. Next, there are file servers designed to store and manage data files, making it easy for multiple users to share and access files within a network. Then, we encounter database servers, which are crucial for handling large databases efficiently. They process requests to retrieve and store data, serving as the backbone for countless applications that require regular data manipulation. Additionally, application servers provide the necessary environment to run specific applications, enhancing their performance and security. Speaking of security, it's a vital component of server systems. Server operating systems are specially optimized for tasks like these, ensuring stability, performance, and most crucially, security. These systems are engineered to handle high workloads and protect against potential threats, making them indispensable in maintaining the integrity and availability of services. Without these robust server systems, our digital interactions would not be as smooth and reliable. How do millions of devices talk to each other without chaos? Enter network systems. At the heart of our digitally connected world lie network systems, crucial for managing the seamless flow of data between devices. These systems include a variety of components, each playing a specific role in ensuring communication is efficient and secure. First, let's talk routers. Routers act as traffic directors, intelligently routing information between devices across different networks. They decide the best paths for data to travel, maximizing speed and reducing bottlenecks. Switches, on the other hand, connect devices within the same network, facilitating the exchange of data packets between them. This is essential for internal communication in offices and homes alike. Then there are firewalls. These are the guardians of network security, inspecting incoming and outgoing traffic to block potential threats. They enforce security policies that keep our digital environments safe from intrusions and attacks. Together, these components work tirelessly to optimize network performance and enforce security measures. Network systems ensure that data flows smoothly and securely across the globe. In an age where data is king, storage systems are the vaults that protect and manage our digital treasures. At the heart of every IT infrastructure, these systems ensure that vast amounts of data are not only stored, but are also retrievable when needed. Let's delve into the various forms these vaults take. Hard disk drives, or HDDs, have long been the workhorses of data storage, prized for their large capacity and cost-effectiveness. On the other hand, solid-state drives, known as SSDs, offer faster data access speeds and reliability due to their lack of moving parts. Both play critical roles depending on the needs of the organization. Network-attached storage, or NAS, systems allow multiple users to access data simultaneously over a network, which is ideal for collaborative environments. Similarly, storage area networks, or SANs, provide high-speed, dedicated networks exclusively for data storage. Cloud storage stands out by offering scalable, remotely accessible storage solutions, ensuring data is available anytime, anywhere, thus supporting the modern mobile workforce. Our data's safety and availability rest in the capable hands of advanced storage systems. What if you could multiply your computer's resources without buying more hardware? That's the power of virtualization. At its core, virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something, be it a server, a storage device, or an entire network. This transformative technology allows for the efficient allocation and management of resources, dramatically increasing flexibility and scalability within IT infrastructures. Let's delve into the types of virtualization. Hypervisors, for instance, are software that create and run virtual machines. Popular examples include VMware SE and Microsoft Hyper-V. These platforms allow multiple virtual systems to operate on a single physical system, optimizing hardware use and reducing costs. On the other hand, containerization platforms like Docker and Kubernetes offer a lighter, more agile form of virtualization. They encapsulate applications in self-contained environments, ensuring that they run consistently across any infrastructure. This is ideal for developers looking to deploy applications quickly and efficiently. Virtualization systems allow us to do more with less, redefining efficiency in IT. While systems form the skeleton, applications are the muscles that move the digital body. In the realm of productivity, tools like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace are indispensable. Microsoft Office, including programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, has been a cornerstone in offices around the world for decades. It allows users to create documents, manage spreadsheets, and deliver captivating presentations. Similarly, Google Workspace offers a suite of cloud-based tools such as Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which provide the added benefit of real-time collaboration from anywhere in the world. This ability to collaborate seamlessly is further enhanced by platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. Slack revolutionizes internal communication by organizing conversations into channels, integrating with numerous apps, and facilitating quick information exchange and decision-making. Microsoft Teams complements this by providing a unified platform that combines workplace chat, meetings, notes, and attachments. Both platforms are crucial in maintaining the flow of information and ensuring team members are aligned and productive, regardless of their physical location. Moving into the domain of integrated business management, enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems like SAP serve as the backbone for many large enterprises. These systems integrate all facets of an operation, including planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources, into a single unified system. This integration helps streamline processes and information across the organization, leading to increased efficiency and reduced operational costs. Similarly, Customer relationship management, or CRM systems such as Salesforce, focus on the relational aspects of business. They help manage a company's interactions with current and potential customers by organizing, automating, and synchronizing sales, marketing, customer service, and technical support. Tools like Salesforce not only store information, but also analyze data about customer interactions, helping businesses personalize their outreach and improve customer relationships. Applications not only increase our productivity, but also connect us in ways we never thought possible. From the moment you wake up to the moment you turn off your device, systems and applications are your silent partners. As we've explored in this journey through the world of information technology, systems and applications are not just digital conveniences, they are the bedrock of modern infrastructure. Operating systems manage our hardware and software resources, providing a foundation for all other applications to operate. Server systems, on the other hand, process, store, and distribute the data that fuels our digital lives. Network systems ensure that this data flows seamlessly across the globe, while storage systems safeguard our information, making it retrievable at a moment's notice. Virtualization technologies multiply our resources, allowing us to do more with less, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. In our day-to-day lives, productivity and collaboration applications empower us to create, communicate, and collaborate more effectively than ever before, bridging distances and connecting minds. Next time you send an email or save a document, remember the complex symphony of systems and applications working for you.